Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme 11 Pro and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So I'd like to start with a secret code which will provide us with the proper information and then the settings. So the code is *##06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code, another way of checking the serial number. We have to enter the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Device. And here we have to scroll down to find Status. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom also in order to find the serial number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.